I have a large capacity removable water tank that holds 37 ounces of water. I won't be refilling water constantly. We can take the tank right to the sink and fill with regular tap water. If you have well water or a water softener, then we recommend bottled spring water. The anti-scale filter keeps the good minerals in and filters out the bad minerals. This isn't something that gets changed frequently, but the filter button will light up when it's time to change the filter. I can leave water in my lift in between use, but once per month the tank of the lift should be emptied. Let me show you the simple maintenance that prevents mineral buildup. It's so important, otherwise I won't have dry microfine steam if too much buildup occurs. Shake the lift using circular movements. I've got a glass bowl, but you'll empty the lift over the sink. Pull the tab and remove the drain screw with a quarter or tool. I'm going to empty the water in the tank. Once the water is removed, I'm going to replace the drain screw and put the tab back down.